So welcome to my channel, guys. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT for absolutely free. Now, ChatGPT 3, which everybody have access to, has some limitation. As you can see on my screen here, it says limited knowledge of words and events after 2023, meaning that this normal ChatGPT, which is a ChatGPT 3, has limited of information. So most of the information you get on the normal ChatGPT is information that are up to 2021. Anything after 2021, which is 2022, 2023, ChatGPT 3 is limited to those information. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT for legally free. Okay, this is actually legal. So this website that actually using ChatGPT 4 have API integrated into them that connect you to ChatGPT 4, and you'll be able to get information up to this present age of 2023. Because if I come up here and I'm going to type in Donald Trump, let's say Donald Trump case updates. Okay, and you're going to see that the information we're going to be getting here will be kind of limited. Okay, so most of the information we're going to be getting here will be not be accurate up to date. So let me quickly show you the first website that you're going to be using that will give you access to ChatGPT 4 is called po.com. Now on this particular website, po.com, all you just need to do is to type in /GPT4, okay, /GPT4 on po.com. Now you can see the normal ChatGPT here, okay, this very one that we use here, this very one. If you come here, you can see the very one here, right? This is the normal ChatGPT. Now on this particular one, if you just click here, you're going to be getting the normal, information that you will get on this particular one here. But for you to use ChatGPT 4, if you come up here, you're going to see ChatGPT 4 here. Okay, so you just click on ChatGPT 4 here, you can see you just type in your message here, and it's going to give you up-to-date information about the information you want, up-to-date information up to 2023, okay, on this particular website. Okay, now the second website I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT 4 for absolutely free is called Bing. Okay, so all you just need to do is to go to bing.com/new. Now, before you be able to use this Bing, you should be able to, you expected to have Microsoft Edge, okay, already. So I will encourage you to download Microsoft Edge on your system. Like you can see, I have Microsoft Edge on my system here already. So all you just need to do is to go to bing.com/new, okay. When you type that and it brings you here, just scroll down to the website and you're going to see open in Microsoft Edge. Okay, so what's going to happen here is that Bing is going to open in Microsoft Edge, and that will give you the opportunity to use ChatGPT 4 there. Okay, so I'm going to click on open in Microsoft Edge here. So it's going to load and it's going to take me to this particular interface. So right here now, what I'm going to be doing is this. I'm going to click on this open Microsoft Edge. Okay. So when I click on this Microsoft Edge, now it's going to open. Right? So up here now you can see chat here. Now this is ChatGPT 4 integrated to Microsoft. Okay. So here you can and here you can ask your questions. Okay. You can ask questions. You can use creative. You can use balance, or you can use precise here. Okay. Now, if you want an article and a detailed article about a particular thing, let's just use the issue of Donald Trump as a case study, you just come up here, right? You click on this discover here, right? You can see this button here, and it's going to open this interface for you. Okay, let me click on it. When I click on it here now, you can see just open up this interface, and here I'm going to say, let me just quickly say updates on Donald Trump is okay. So let's just leave it this way. Okay. So then I'm going to scroll down. You're going to scroll down here. You can see now this is going to be writing a detailed article like that of ChatGPT 4 for you. Okay, so you can either choose short, you can choose medium, or you're going to choose long. So if I choose long and I click on generate, you're going to see that it's going to write an up-to-date article about Donald Trump court case, okay, for me. So here is one of the best way for you to be able to use ChatGPT. Okay, so you can see ChatGPT here now, okay, writing articles here for me. Okay, so if I'm then writing article for me here, so that is one of the other ways for you to be able to use ChatGPT for. Then the third way for you to use ChatGPT for is to go to this website called huggingface.co. Okay. Now, if you get to this website, huggingface.co, all you just need to do, this you can say ChatGPT for chat. You can see GPT-4 with chat completion API. Okay, plus gradual streaming. So you can use ChatGPT-4 here on Hugging Face. All you just need to do is just to go up here where it says spaces, click on this spaces here, and it's going to bring you here. Just type in Yeshama. Okay, when you type in Yeshama on this chat box here, it's going to bring you here. I'm going to see chat with GPT-4 here. Okay, so you can see chat. You just click on ChatGPT-4 here, and it's going to bring you here. Okay, now when it brings you here, you're going to see you have the option of using ChatGPT here. Okay, so you're going to type in your message here, and you're going to click on run, and automatically it's going to give you the opportunity to use ChatGPT-4. Okay, so this is the 3 ways how you can alternatively use ChatGPT-4 for absolutely free. Okay, so I want to believe you got value from this video, and if you got value, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also remember you can subscribe to my channel so that you get more updates. Now in the comment section, you can let me know what you think about this video. I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch the video. You take care of yourself, and bye bye.